Do this and I guarantee that you will feel so much lighter and brighter in yourself. All you have to do is follow along with me. So get ready to move. This is a little bit of Kundalini Yoga and meditation with me, Kiranjot.
We're going to do the 9-minute meditation for stress. Okay, it takes a little bit longer than 9 minutes with the time I've explained it, but it's 3 parts to it, and it's good and simple, and it's very, very effective. So I wanted to, the first exercise is clearing the heart. You take your right hand, the elbow stays quite still, yeah? And then the forearm acts like a windscreen wiper. We did this quite recently. So no flippy flappy wrists. Really powerful movement for 3 minutes. This hand here, you end up squeezing your thumb. Your thumb is said to represent your ego. So you squeeze it really tight. You cover it with the energy of the other fingers. You hold it really tight. And your eyes are down here, focused at the very center of your chin. Press your chin. It's an emotionally stabilizing point. Feels good. Feels nice when you press your chin. Yeah, that's where you keep your gaze, not your third eye, not the tip of the nose, at your chin. Then we juggle. Left hand down, right hand up. I'll remind you. Yeah, juggle, 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 juggle. 3 minutes. And then you place your hands over your heart, and we start to stretch the neck out side to side. Okay. And then last minute, we stretch our arms right up. So, simple movement. Sit comfortably, so up on something. And I'll see if I can find some tunes so that we could, we've got a, maybe this will work. Okay. So, left hand in Gyan Mudra for the first minute. Go. You're going from the third eye down to the navel, across the heart. You know this mantra? This is a kind of joke. I'm only joking when I say this, but it's basically meaning, you know that phrase, oh, it is what it is. Yeah, that's what this mantra means. We were talking in the full moon class about not resisting the resistance. Feeling your feelings fully. Then it's easier to release them. Okay, start to squeeze that thumb. All the way, and make sure that your hand is going across your heart. This is key, yeah? Clearing the heart. Very good. All the way to the end. 3, 2, 1. And then bring this hand out so the palm is up. And then the hand with the thumb squeezing that down and bounce. Relax your shoulders. Sit very straight. Stack your chakras. Keep your gaze lowered, yeah? Tip of the chin. Super good. Now place your left hand over your heart chakra. Right hand on top of it. Press into your heart. And start to tilt your head side to side. Inhale left. Exhale right. Bring your head back to center on your next inhalation. And stretch up. Open your fingers wide. And like you're pushing them into the sky. And you are hanging from the clouds. Stretch up, 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 up. Relax your shoulders. Lift your heart up and perhaps even lift your head up a little bit so it's a little surrender of the head. And you can, in this position, really call in what it is that you need. Make it a prayer. What's stressing you out? What's the solution? There's a solution to everything. What do you need? More patience? More money? More compassion? What do you need? Ask for it. Super good, well done. One more breath and a big stretch. And then turn your hands around. Bring them down slowly, slowly. Sweeping through your auric field. Clearing and blessing. Coming and sitting like a perfect yogi. At peace. In balance. And in faith.
Yay! You did it, well done! Now before you scroll on, please place your hands over your heart, close your eyes and take a deep breath into that sweet spot within you. Take a mental picture of it, because the more you're aware of it, the easier it is to access. Now you've done yourself a favour, please do me one. Like and subscribe to my channel. Or perhaps you've got a friend who needs this. Please share it with them, because we all need healing, perhaps more now than ever before. And of course, if you want to do more yoga and meditation with me, then all the links are below for you to join my live classes. It really is that easy. Take good care of yourselves. Sat Nam.